Before the world knew Burkina Faso, this land was a fortress of empires, warriors, and untold glory. But how did a land of kings become one of the most overlooked stories in African history? Long before it was known as Burkina Faso, this land was the heart of powerful African civilizations, most notably the Mossi Empire, which rose around the 11th century. The Mossi people established thriving cities and sophisticated systems of governance, with kings known as Mogo Naba ruling over vast territories. They developed strong military traditions and fiercely defended their independence, successfully resisting invasions from powerful empires like Mali and Songhai, as well as later attempts by European colonizers. For centuries, the Mossi maintained their cultural identity, leadership structures, and pride, laying a deep historical foundation for the country we know today. In the late 1800s, during the scramble for Africa, the French took control of the region. They named it Upper Volta and forced local people to work, pay taxes, and abandon their traditions. The people never stopped resisting, even under harsh colonial rule. In 1960, Upper Volta, now known as Burkina Faso, finally gained independence from France. But the road ahead was far from easy. The country, rich in culture but limited in resources, struggled with deep poverty and political instability. A series of military coups shook the young nation, while foreign powers continued to hold influence over its economy and governance. Despite gaining sovereignty on paper, true independence remained a distant dream for many years. A young, bold soldier named Thomas Sankara became president in 1983. He renamed the country Burkina Faso, meaning land of upright people. He was loved for fighting corruption, supporting women's rights, promoting local food, clothes, and culture, kicking out foreign control. But in 1987, Sankara was assassinated. Many believe it was due to his anti-colonial stance and refusal to follow Western powers. After Sankara's death, the country entered decades of military and political instability. Corruption and inequality returned. Foreign companies controlled much of the country's gold. Terrorist groups and insecurity spread in the north. In 2022, a young captain named Ibrahim Traoré led a peaceful coup and became Africa's youngest leader. Inspired by Sankara, he took steps to reclaim gold from foreign hands, told foreign soldiers to leave, promoted traditional African culture and unity, called on Africans to stand up for themselves. Many see him as a symbol of new African pride and resistance. Burkina Faso means land of honest people, and its history reflects a constant fight for freedom, dignity, and African self-reliance. If you find the story interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.